Hello, my name is John. I am a student. I live in a small town. My town is quiet and clean. There are many trees and small shops. People here are very kind. Life in my town is peaceful. We don't have tall buildings, but we have fresh air and green fields. I like my town very much. We are 4 members in my family. My father is a teacher. He works in a local school. He loves teaching. He teaches many students every day. He always tells me to study hard. He helps me with my homework. He also tells me stories about great people. He says, education can change your life. I learn many good things from him. My mother is a housewife. She stays at home and takes care of us. She cooks very tasty food. She keeps our home clean. She wakes up early in the morning. She makes breakfast for all of us. She loves plants and flowers. She grows many flowers in our garden. I help her water the plants. She is very kind and caring. I have a younger sister. She is a good girl. She also goes to school. She likes to draw and sing. We study together in the evening. After studying, we play games. Sometimes we fight over small things, but we quickly become friends again. She always makes me laugh. I love my sister very much. We eat dinner together every night. We sit around the table and smile. The smell of food fills the room. We talk about our day. My father tells us about school. He sometimes shares funny moments with his students. My mother tells what she cooked and how she spent her day. My sister shares funny stories. She makes everyone laugh loudly. After dinner, we sometimes watch TV. We like watching family shows and songs. Sometimes we go for a walk. We walk under the moonlight and feel the cool air. We enjoy simple things together. Those moments make me feel peaceful inside. On weekends, we visit our grandparents. They live in a nearby village. The road to their house is long but beautiful. We pass green fields and small ponds. We love to go there. My grandparents are very kind. My grandfather loves gardening. He grows many vegetables behind the house. They tell us old stories. We sit under a big mango tree and listen. The wind blows softly through the leaves. We eat fruits and play outside. Sometimes we run with other village children. I always feel happy when I am there. I never want those days to end. In my free time, I read storybooks. I love stories about animals and brave people. I also like to draw pictures. I draw my family, my home, and my town.
Sometimes I play football with my friends. We play in the open field near my house. We shout and cheer for our teams. We run, laugh, and enjoy a lot. When the sun goes down, I come home. The sky becomes red and golden. I take a shower and eat dinner. Before sleeping, I think about my day. I always thank God for my family. I close my eyes with a smile. I feel safe and happy every night.
My family is my world. They are my biggest support. We love and help each other. My father teaches me to be honest. My mother teaches me to be kind. My sister teaches me to smile. Our life is simple but full of love. We don't have everything, but we are happy. Happiness lives in our small home. We share laughter every day. I feel safe and loved with them. Every moment with my family is special. I learn something new from them every day. I want to study well. I want to make my parents proud. One day, I want to become a good person. I want to help my family and my town. I want to do something good for others. I know it will take time, but I will work hard for it. I will never give up on my dreams. My town and my family teach me many things. They teach me to be thankful. They teach me to live with love and peace. They also teach me to respect others. When I see the sunset, I feel calm. I think about my beautiful life. I feel lucky and happy. Every day is a new gift for me. I promise to always be kind and helpful. I will always take care of my family. This is my story. This is my small world. It is full of love, hope, and dreams. And I will always keep this love in my heart. I will never forget the lessons I have learned.
Thank you, my friends, for listening to my story. I hope you liked it. My life may be simple, but it is full of love and happiness. Family and home are the most important things in life. Always be thankful for what you have. Remember to love your family and help others. If you liked my story, please like, share, and subscribe. I will bring more stories and life lessons for you. See you in the next video. Stay happy and take care.